Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today we have a little bit of a fun box. It's one of my favorite boxes. It comes once a quarter and it is Beachly. Oh yeah, I got my Beachly. Now inside this box we're going to have 4 to 5 items, maybe 6. And we're going to get some vitamin C for your soul. We're going to hashtag beach every day. And warning, good vibes may be contagious in this box, and that is so true. And if you're interested in Beachly, it is $99 a quarter and or $90 a quarter if you do an annual, so it comes up to about $380 or something like that. But I can tell you, I love this box. It's Hello Sunshine. Oh yeah. It says, hello, by ordering this box, you have helped protect and restore vital coastal ecosystems. A portion of the proceeds has been donated to our partner, Sea Trees, who will be using your donation to restore kelp forests in the Southern California, plant mango trees all over the world, and more. Thank you for being a Beachly member and supporting the Sea Trees mission. So that is their mission, and I don't know that I've read that in a while. I've had the description for about 2 years. I just love it. This is spring 2023. This is a beautiful picture. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty enough to have framed. I wish it hadn't got a little bent in my box, but it's still very lovely. And it says, have some fun in the sun the Beachly way this spring. And we have a QR code on here to find out what we have in there. I'm going to have to grab my phone, which wasn't very far away. And we're pulling up the code, and we got all of our details for the March 2023 box. And it's going to give us all of our items. We get to customize several things. And so in this box, the customization's number 1. We could have picked the Coco Cabana cover-up, and it's either Tide or Coral. And I chose, I think, the Tide. I don't think I chose the Coral, so we'll pop in here and see what it's all about. And now it's just a matter of going through the box. And here's our little sneaky peek. Yay! Now, like I was saying, the first item is the cover-up, and it's a $99 value. And let me find it in here. It's going to be right here. And the details on this, it's a pull side to the sand. This is a Como style cover-up, shows off the very best of spring style with transitions from swim cover to cover up the outfit, staple and everything between, with 2 color options, and they are both sure to please. And this was my color choice. I decided to go with this one, and I'm trying to pull it all away here. I think it's a cover-up. Yeah, it is. It's a cover-up, and you can see it has an open front, and it's got the blue down the sides. And I think I got the extra large size, or maybe it's just all size fits all, it looks like. Maybe that's what it is. But it's very pretty, and it has the tassels on the end. So it's very nice, and it looks like it's going to be very flowing. So this will be a great cover-up to use at the beach. And it's got sleeves, you know, so you can put your arm through there on each side. And just a very nice, and it has a light, I guess, a linen line down through it. So it's very nice. It's like a faint yellowy color, but it's overall is a cream color. So like I said, it's very nice, $99 value, and I really like that choice. Now our next item is customization number 2. We could have picked a blanket, like a throw towel blanket, retail at $32, or we could have picked the About brand, the Fleur de More tank by Beachly, and it has a price of $44, and that is what I picked. So we can just get this out of here and check it out. And I love the color of it, number 1. It's real soft. It's like a real soft cotton feel. And it's got the Beachly, I guess that's the name of the designer and or of the shirt for Beachly. It is made for Beachly, and let me see if I can read y'all some details on this. But look at that, it's going to go real nice with this cover up if I wanted to wear it with that. You know, as a throw over, very nice. Let's read about it. The details are, we've got you covered with this Beachly exclusive design tank featuring the perfect lived-in wash, abstract floral design, and relaxed fit. About the brand, loving all things Beachly, our March team has a keen eye for all things Beachly, good vibes and sunshine inspired. Now, we had a customization number 3 where we could choose sandals or like a little bag or a beach purse, and that's what they look like, and I chose the shoes. So in customization number 3, I chose the Sandal Bar Seashell sandals, and it's Salt Sisters is the designer, and the retail price is $60. And the details, let's get them out here. They're so cute. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness, I just really like these. So let's see what the details are on these sandals. And I love getting shoes in these once in a while. It's both comfortable and stylish. Yep, we did it. Take a walk on the sunny side of the street with our exclusive shell slide sandals. The dual strap slide is perfect for casual shoe to take to the beach lifestyle with you wherever you may roam. The Salt Sisters created these shoes, and they had a value of $60, and I just think they're really cute. I hope they fit my feet. I mean, I picked the size that's my foot, but they might run small. It's hard to say. But anyways, I love them. I think they're really nice. Our next item, I don't know that we got to customize this. I think we're just going to get some items. It says in the remainder of the spring box, returning members received Body Surf SPF 40 by Pursuit Beauty, the Tees Piñas tumbler set by Beachly, and a Sandy Treasure hair tie bracelet set by Etika. So I guess that's my next 3 items. So we're getting 6 items in here, and for your $99, you're guaranteed at least a $250 value. The first thing I'm going to pull out is our Body Surf. This is the Daily SPF 40, and it's a body sunscreen, and I'm sure it's just a tube, but let's just take a little look. Yeah, it's a tube of sunscreen, so I can take this with me. I'm glad that I got this all in spring because I'm planning a trip to Cancun in June, so I can take all this with me. The summer box probably won't get here in time before my trip. That's what happened last year, but I was wanting to see what this smells like because I'll keep it. They always make a good light scent. It does smell like a sunscreen. You know what I mean? Like, do you remember, like, I'm trying to remember the brand Coppertone. That's what it kind of reminds me of. But it's not a bad smell. The next thing that we have are some little ties from Etika for our hair. And as you can see in this, we have different patterns. I'm going to take it out of here. You might could use these for wristband bracelets as well, and maybe that's what they mean. It says they're hair ties or bracelet. So if you're not sure if you want your hair up, this is great to carry and have on your wrist. And that way, if you do want to pull your hair up, you've got something right away. Otherwise, you've got a decorative bracelet on your arm. So, I mean, that's a twofold thing, and you got this seashells. And let's see if we get any details on the Body Surf. This is a rich, hydrating, moisturizing type sunscreen that they wanted us to know, and it instantly quenches dry skin and applies seamlessly without any white cast. So it's clean, vegan free, and reef friendly. Yay! And then the next item is I was showing you with these little treasure mini hair tie bracelet sets. It's an $18 value. And it says we've got good 2-in-1 with this Beachly set with possibilities are endless. The 4-pack of tropical treasures can be used as hair ties, bracelets, or even a way to accessorize your bag. So say there's another way to use it. And that was an $18 value, and our sunscreen was $40, I believe. Our sunscreen was $30 actually. And then we have as another item is our Tree Piñas tumbler set. And this has a retail value of $20. And that is right here. They're Island Haas Company Tree Piñas 2-pack tumblers. Might not have been saying, I think I was saying tree, but I think it's tres. Tree Piñas, I really don't know. I don't speak Spanish and or probably read it correctly. But these are poolside or beachside. You can't go wrong is what it says. And they've got it sealed with a little tape there. I'm going to see if I can get them out of here so we can take a look at them. They look very pretty. They're made of acrylic. But here's a sample of one. Nice little wine tumbler and our drink tumbler. And like they said, good for poolside. It'll hold itself up. I have gotten some silicone cups, and sometimes those just tip over real easy. They don't have a lot of, I guess, weight to hold them down. But these are really cute. That one has the little pineapples on it. And they're like a pair with little pineapples on it. So those are just really cute. Hey guys, that was my Beachly. What do you think? So again, as to recap, we got these nice little tumblers, a set of 2 for the beach or pool, and they are acrylic, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. We got our Body Surf, which is our sunscreen that is going to be a daily SPF 40 and body sunscreen moisturizer. And we got our little ties and our bracelets. That's decorative either way for your hair. I got these great sandals, which I'm very happy about. And then I love this tee. I think that is just really, really snazzy too. And then to go with that, or just to be a cover-up, we have our cover-up. So do you have a favorite? I don't know. They're all nice. I always like the cover-ups. They're always good to have. And I'm sure I will use that. I really love my sandals. I think those are going to be so comfortable. They even look comfortable. So I'm hoping that they are. And then I love this color of this tank top. I'll definitely love wearing this. And I like anything that's cool and sleeveless, especially in the summertime. So that is just wow, perfect. I just love it. I want to say that the tank top and these sandals are my favorites. What are your favorites? You let me know. It's kind of hard to choose sometimes, especially when you get clothes and things that you can use. But Beachly does a really good job curating their box. I really like getting this box. It is a fun box, and they just send us all kinds of nice, usable things that we can use at the beach or poolside, or even if you're just going out, jeans and a t-shirt. I mean, hey, you can wear that anywhere. And you could probably even dress up that cover up if you wanted to use it kind of like kimono type style with some type of summer short set on. I mean, that would probably be really cute with that too. And the sandals will go from beach to the grocery store. I mean, just wherever. So guys, that's my Beachly. Be sure and check my descriptions for any collaborations and or giveaways that are going on currently. I will tell you, there is a Dollar Tree train coming out on Saturday the 18th, so be on the lookout for that. Also, there will be the Triple Crown battle with reviews with Sue and Laura Wooten, and we're going to battle out custom boxes this time, so be sure and be on the lookout for that. It'll be coming out Friday, March 17th, and there are just lots of collabs that's going to be coming from Miss Jackie Russell. Yeah, we've got some other ones planned, and they'll be coming out in March and into April. So we're going to have a lot for you to see, have a little fun, and I hope you enjoy them. But as for today and Beachly, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.